A warning about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and health officials are concerned that could keep even more people from getting vaccinated. This comes as COVID-19 cases are once again going up. In New Jersey, there's been a 38% increase from a week ago. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with the update. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi, Jessica. First of all, this new warning is only for the J&J vaccine about a very rare side effect. Health officials want to emphasize there are no issues whatsoever with the other two vaccines, one from Moderna, the other from Pfizer. Still, there has been a decided drop in the number of people getting vaccinated. No takers at the Black Doctors vaccine site in North Philly, adding to growing concerns about neighborhoods with large numbers of people who are not vaccinated.
Missed opportunity. People are going to get sick that didn't have to get sick because they didn't get vaccinated.
Frederick Bushman's lab at the University of Pennsylvania is tracking the more contagious Delta variant that continues to spread nationally and in the Delaware Valley.
It's maybe more likely to cause people to become hospitalized, so it's quite serious.
With a renewed emphasis on vaccine in hopes of curbing the Delta variant, there's a new complication. The FDA is adding a new warning to Johnson & Johnson's one-dose COVID vaccine. It's been given to nearly 13 million Americans. About 100 developed a rare but serious autoimmune disorder that attacks the nerves called Guillain-Barré. Still, health officials say the benefits of the vaccine far outweigh the small risks.
There are very, very low numbers of adverse events. With tens of millions treated, there's a handful of adverse events.
Are you concerned that's going to add to more hesitancy?
It's perfectly reasonable that people should want to know if the vaccines are safe, and the overwhelming evidence is that they are.
Johnson & Johnson says the chance of having the side effect is very low, and we strongly support raising awareness of the signs and symptoms of rare events. Now, also today, federal health officials said they are reviewing suggestions that some people might need a third dose of the Pfizer vaccine. But right now, the current recommendations for vaccines, they are safe and effective and working at fighting this virus and all of the variants. Yuki?
Stephanie, appreciate that. Thank you. Well, the Catholic Diocese of Wilmington